Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about how to use tag helpers. In our previous videos, we saw about what is tag helper, what is inbuilt tag helpers, and what is custom tag helpers, and how to create custom tag helpers. In our previous video, we created some complex tag helpers to create grid control. But in this video, we are going to see about how to include hyperlink and its navigation in the same grid control tag helper. Let's open the Visual Studio, which we used in our last session. What we learned, we created one HTML tag helper, HTML table tag helper like this. So it finds some HTML table. Let's see, and then see the application. Click on Employee Management. Yeah, this control is created by our normal HTML tables, but this control is created by using tag helpers. But last session itself we discussed that we need to include one hyperlink, like update this type of hyperlink we need to include, and we need to perform the navigation. Let's see how to do that. So we are going to include one more TD tag. TD tag means we are going to create one hyperlink. Hyperlink means anchor tag. This A href equal to, we need to provide some navigations. But what is the visibility text update? Then close the tag. We need to provide navigation here. Before that, we can see what navigation we need to provide. Let's run the application. Click on Employee Management. We can inspect this element. Here, we are providing, see here, we are providing a href, some controller name and action name. So we need to get the controller name and action name as input. Input means already model is one input, so we are going to get two more inputs. So public string control set the same way, public string accept set. So you can use a href. First we need to provide controller name. So control, then need to provide as action name. Provide query string or MB ID equal to, we need to pass the current row ID. Current row ID means mb.id. Let's run the application. Let's see what happens. Click on employee management. Here we are getting hyperlink like this. We are getting the hyperlink. Click on the hyperlink. URL found as wrong. Let's debug and find what happened. Found wrongly in this line. Let's debug and click on employee management. Effect wrongly. So it's sorry. I got the point. We introduced two more things here, control name and action name. So we need to provide that also in our index.cs HTML. Here we passed model. The same way we need to pass control equal to employee and action equal to index. Create employee. Yes, while clicking on update, it need to redirect to create employee.cs HTML. So create employee action method. So we can provide create employee. That's it. And the application. And employee management. Yes, now it forms correctly. Employee slash create employee question mark EMB equal to 1. Okay, let's run the application. Click on update. Yes, success. It navigates to edit screen. So we have successfully created custom tag helper, which includes some grid columns as well as some navigation link and also navigation. Thanks for watching.